Hello everyone, greetings to you all from our exclusive English and educational updates. Well, in this short video, we will be looking at the pictorial description of the poem CBSE NCERT syllabus English class 7. The title of the poem is The Rebel. So before we discuss, please go to playlist and access all kinds of educational and subject specific videos. If you want to see information communication technology, click on this first title, and the second one is August syllabus words, and if you go to this down arrow button, you will get to see n number of subject specific and general educational updates. IFP interactive flat panel educational and subject videos, and TOEFL primary and junior content, plus SSC 10th class syllabus model papers analysis videos. All you can get to see under this title called playlist. Please access the playlist and get benefited. Now let's move on to the specific poem, The Rebel. So who is called the rebel? A person who refuses to accept the government's power or uses force to oppose it is called rebel. In other words, a person who opposes authority and thinks or behaves differently is called a rebel. So rebel అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి తిరగబడిన వాడు లేదా a person who does opposite what we think is called the rebel. Now let us look at the title and the name of the author and the lines extracted from the poem. So the poem is written by DJ Enright, and the pictures here depicted to resemble the meaning. So let us get started. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. So what we have done is we have done the recitation of the poem in the class, and they have tried imitating with some actions. So you can get to see that video in the next episode. And now let us come back to the reading and pictorial representation. So when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So look at the images here, long and short, the opposite of the version. So now let's move on to the next lines. When everybody talks during the lesson, everybody is participating, interacting, and sharing the knowledge and opinion among the children. But the rebel does not say a word. He is very quiet, very inactive, passive, and not at all communicative. So the rebel doesn't say a word. Now, when nobody talks during the lesson, everybody is very quiet and very silent. But what did rebel do? The rebel creates a disturbance. The rebel creates a disturbance here. So he does the exact opposite of the action. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. చూడండి ఇక్కడ everybody has some kind of uniform to represent the profession. But here the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes, very modern and trendy. Now let's move on to the next line. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly, very simple and very normal. So here different. Now let's look at the next stanza. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When everybody has love for dogs, the rebel tried saying, I like cats. In the company of cat lovers, and what did the rebel say? The rebel said, I like dogs. The rebel puts in good a word for dogs. So here the pictorial representation is matching with the meaning of the lines. Next one. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. So here అందరూ వర్షాకాలం బోరు కొట్టేసింది, సన్ కావాలనుకుంటే మన రెబల్ మాత్రం రెయిన్ ఇంకా కావాలి అని చెప్తున్నాడు. దెన్ ఆపోజిట్, when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of the sun. చూడండి, exact opposite action. Now, when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. సో అందరూ మీటింగ్ జాయిన్ అవుతారు, బట్ దిస్ రెబల్ ఆల్వేస్ స్టేస్ అట్ హోమ్ అండ్ కన్ఫైన్స్ టు రీడింగ్ ఎ బుక్. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel, what does rebel do? The rebel goes to the meeting. So at that time, he thinks to attend the meeting. Like this, every action is opposite in terms of rebel's expression. When everybody says, yes please, the rebel says, no thank you. When everybody says, no thank you, the rebel says, yes please. అందరూ ఎస్ అన్నప్పుడు నో, అందరూ నో అన్నప్పుడు ఇతను ఎస్. దట్ ఈస్ వై ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ద రెబల్. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ గుడ్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ రెబల్స్, యూ మే నాట్ ఫైండ్ ఇట్ వెరీ గుడ్ టు బీ వన్. ఈ విధంగా మనకి ఎన్ రైట్ ఈ యొక్క పోయంని ఎండ్ చేస్తాడు. సో డియర్ వ్యూయర్స్, నౌ లుక్ అట్ ద డిఫికల్ట్ వర్డ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద glossary or meanings of difficult words. Rebel, a person who goes against established rules. Disturbance, the interruption to a set and a peaceful condition. Soberly, very simple manner. Preference, liking. Praising, speaking nicely about something or someone. Greet, welcome. Regret, feel sorry. So dear viewers, like this we can make use of the slides for the better explanation regarding the actions and opposite actions represented in the poem. So next video will be practical and recitation of the poem by 2 students. Please do watch and get benefited, and please do subscribe. Please don't ignore. Please do subscribe and encourage for more educational, enriching, experiential videos. Have a great day ahead, my dear friends.